Dear subscribers, please subscribe to our channel to see more videos about structural, architectural, and MEP modeling in Revit. To access keyboard shortcuts, go to the View tab. On the right side, click on User Interface, then select Keyboard Shortcuts. Or simply type KS on your keyboard. This is the default shortcut to open the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box. Now the Keyboard Shortcuts window will appear. Here, you can see all the commands available in Revit. If you want to assign a new shortcut, follow these steps. First, type the name of the command in the search bar. For example, let's search for a line dimension. Select the command, then click inside the Press New Keys field. Now press the keys you want to use as a shortcut. For example, type AD. Click Assign, then click OK. Now your new shortcut is ready to use. If the shortcut is already used by another command, Revit will show a warning message. In that case, you must choose a different combination. You can also remove a shortcut. Select the command. Select the existing shortcut. Click Remove, then click OK. If you want to export your shortcuts and use them on another computer, go again to View, User Interface, Keyboard Shortcuts. Click Export. Save the XML file. On another computer, click Import and select the same file. This is very useful if you work in different offices or want to keep your personal setup. Using shortcuts will significantly improve your speed in Revit. For example, WA for wall, DR for door, BM for beam, SL for slab. The more you practice, the faster you will become. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.